In Blackboard Ultra, there is not currently a way to create an export package so you can take a rubric from one course and then import it into another course. But there is a workaround on how to make this happen. Start with the course in which you would like to get the rubric brought into. And in my Playground course here, just to demonstrate, I do not currently have any rubrics in this course. When I come to the gradebook and then come to grade settings, where I would have rubrics, you'll notice it is currently empty. There is a discussion post rubric that I want to bring from another course into this Playground course. So since I cannot create an export package and then import that package without bringing the entire course into my Playground course, what I'll want to do instead is come here to the More Options menu, go to Copy Content. I'll find the course that has an assignment with the rubric attached, and I'm going to bring that assignment over. After the assignment comes over, we will take a look at the settings. Once the copy process completes, you'll notice you'll get some sort of contain exceptions report. If we look at the details, it does say certain gradebook items not brought over. Most of these, as you can see, are categories from that other class. I don't really need these. What I'm really interested in is the assignment and the associated rubric. So I can basically dismiss that for this situation. When I scroll down to the bottom, here's that discussion that I brought over from my previous course. And when I look at the discussion, here is in the settings, the discussion question rubric. I'll click on that real quick just to make sure, and it does look like all of the components of the discussion question rubric are there. To take this to the next step, I'm going to visit the gradebook. When I visit the gradebook and I go back to my settings where I can establish things like rubrics, and I scroll down, you'll notice before there was no rubric in my list. Now there is the discussion question rubric. The assignment and the associated rubric came copied over. But perhaps I do not want to use that assignment. Now that I've brought the rubric in, the rubric will stay. So what I can do is delete the assignment. It is no longer here. The discussion also no longer shows up in my discussions area. And when I go back to the rubric section of my gradebook, the discussion question rubric is still visible and is still present with all of its components. So I can now assign it to different discussion questions.